Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to fill color in text box in Photoshop. Let's begin. See this? I have a two text box. Click the text box group, open group and see this text and text box. Go to the shape and use fill. Select the fill color. Okay. And another way, go to another text box, remove this shape, click again down, create a new layer and fill the text color. Press enter. Stroke color black or no, do not use stroke color as you wish, and use text box. Hold Ctrl align middle. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.